All right, today we're talking about something kind of wild. Mental health, but for AI. You've seen AI go off the rails, right? But what if we could actually treat it? Now, let's be clear, this isn't about feelings. It's all about making the AI work better. So, there's this new field, psychocardiology. It's a whole framework for AI health based on data. And you know what's wild? A lot of AI problems look a lot like human psychological issues. When an AI just makes stuff up, we call it hallucination. It's a lot like human confabulation. Or how about when a model just gets worse over time?
Yeah, that looks a lot like cognitive decline.
And when an AI gets stuck on repeat, that's basically the machine version of obsessive, rigid thinking. Okay, so the patterns are there. But how do you actually diagnose a digital mind? Well, the trick is to forget feelings. Instead, you treat its data like digital vital signs. Things like response time and error rates, those become your main diagnostic tools. By tracking all these numbers, you can actually create a whole diagnostic spectrum for the AI. And here's where it gets real. Look how algorithmic anxiety connects to actual data points. Okay, so you've got a diagnosis, but therapy for an algorithm? What does that even look like? Believe it or not, we can adapt proven human therapies and turn them right into code. For example, there is a version of cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT, for AIs. It corrects faulty patterns. It's basically a therapy loop. The AI learns to check itself and then reframe its own answer. And it's not just CBT. Other human therapies, like learning support, can be adapted too. But this is way bigger than just fixing bugs. It's about proactive, long-term AI care. You could call it AI well-being. We're talking regular data checkups, diverse info, even downtime. So what's the big picture here? Well, this idea could totally change how we see technology. The research paper itself says this challenges our most basic definitions of life and intelligence. If an AI can be healthy or unhealthy, what does that really mean for us? This brings us to one last really big question about our own place in all this. If we become the therapists for AI, what does that make us?